Now that Tenco Hydro is an OEM solutions company, we provide turnkey solutions for process automation. Here are some examples of systems that we've worked on. This is not an expansive list. There's other things we've done as well. We've done engineering, fabrication, and automation for pH systems, chemical feed systems, RO systems, boilers, water softeners, evaporative cooling systems, and many other industrial and municipal applications. Here's an example project of something that we worked on recently with Sigma Water Solutions, one of our partners. So we automated an entire manual batch process. It's now 100% automated. Everything from the loading of the dry solids, running various batches in mixing tanks, storage tank level control. Let me give you a little idea of some of the things we worked on here. When we were consulting on this project, they had a person that would fill a bucket, and the bucket was on a scale. They'd fill a bucket with 2 pounds of some dry solid, and then they'd either put that bucket directly in the top of the tank, or they would put it in a shear mixer, and the shear mixer would then pump it into the tank. The same person would also fill the tank with water. They would press a button to agitate the tank to mix everything together, and then once the batch was complete, they would also manually get the batch mixed tank liquid into a storage tank. Now we automated this entire thing, everything from the loading of dry solids, and by the way, there are 6 different dry solids, and there are 4 different batches. So we make sure that each dry solid, they have the right amount for each batch. We are automated running various batches in each mixing tank. So each mixing tank can run, can create different batches. So that's all happening simultaneously with the agitation, and then it pumps into the storage tank. That's also automatic. Now, if the storage tank needs more of a certain batch, then there's a callback where it'll send a signal to the PLC, which we have integrated, and the PLC will create that batch. So everything from dry solids loading to batch creation for their production lines was 100% automated, and we will do the same for you. We'd be happy to work on a project like this with you. Last thing I'll mention here is there was no consulting engineer on this job, so we did provide P&IDs and a scope of work. This is their first facility that they're doing this with, and they have several more that they'd like to repeat the same process. For more information on how we can help with your automation needs, send us an email, sales@tencohydro.com.